Welcome back to another update of AI Assist. This update is a bit different. So in the last couple of weeks, I've been working on Doctor, which is a tool to help you improve your Docker file, and ultimately it will automatically generate a Docker file for you. So you don't have to worry about that, and it will be secure. However, there was some feedback that this is lacking integration with IDE, the real-time aspect, and perhaps it should even be a bit more like Copilot. So for now, I'm going to focus on alternatives that are more similar to Copilot, and meaning that they will work in the IDE, and they will be real-time, and they will be coming up with suggestions to improve the quality of the code. Hopefully, Doctor will still integrate with that and give you valid suggestions to improve your code. But I'm also going to take a broader look at how to improve your code. I have spent some time on fixing my Ubuntu workstation, which is not a GitLab machine, just because I need a NVIDIA GPU. And obviously, MacBook doesn't have it, and it doesn't support it. So I'm using my personal workstation to host a model on my NVIDIA GPU, an RTX 2080 Ti, so it's a bit limited in capabilities. Right now I'm running Pilot, which is an open source project designed to mimic the functionality of Copilot. It's an interesting project. Given that I only have 11 gigs of VRAM, I opted for the biggest model that's available for me. So I'm running this right now, and I also took another project, VS Code Pilot, which is a plugin. It's fairly limited in documentation, but it does work. I made a few tweaks to it, which were not documented, but it works. It's okay. So I'm running it. If you are sitting next to the machine, which is in another room in my house, you can actually hear it think. It's pretty old school. You can hear some beeping, and when it stops, you get a suggestion. So to demonstrate it, I have a project open here, and if I just start writing from, it will give a suggestion. Its response was quite fast, but if we make it a bit more logical, then maybe it will be better. So as you can see, we're not frozen. It just takes quite a bit of time in order to get a recommendation in this case. Well, here it is. It looks sort of okay. I mean, this is okay, this first route also, but I mean, I was typing app equals, so you would expect it just to put it here. But again, that's all besides the point. So for now, what I'm going to do is compare a few projects like Pilot, but also Copilot Clone, which is searching Stack Overflow in GitHub Gist, which is interesting. Maybe it needs to be combined. Code Clippy, as well as DeepGem. So I'm going to just take a look at those projects, see which one performs best right now. And I'm probably going to work on the integration with the IDE, so we can get some data collection going on, because ultimately that's the most important. What kind of programmer is using these tools? Are they accepting suggestions? We should be able to have them provide feedback, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so if you have any ideas about this or suggestions, let me know, either on Slack, in an issue, or comment on this video. Thank you for watching.